Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for this video I'm going to make cendol. Okay guys, so these are my ingredients for my cendol. So I have here 90 grams of flour, all-purpose flour. Then this is 70 grams of tapioca. And I have here 750 ml of water. I don't have pandan leaves, so I will just be using the pandan extract. And for the coloring, we have here the pandan food coloring. So I know this is not healthy, but I don't have a choice because I don't have pandan leaf. And for the syrup, we have brown sugar, and this is Muscovado sugar. Okay, so let's start. Okay guys, so I have here a pan but with no heat. So I will put first the 70-50 ml of water. Then put the flour. You need to mix first. Okay, after this we will put the tapioca starch. And after this, we put the food coloring. So this is color green for pandan flavor. Okay guys, so we will now make the syrup. So I have here about 200 ml of water. Then I will put some Muscovado sugar. Then some brown sugar. Okay guys, so I have here some glass, then I will put some ice. Then the chendol. Then the syrup. And lastly, we have the milk. Okay guys, so this is now my chendol and let's try it. Oh, this is so refreshing. It's so good. So good. Yeah. The chendol looks like the coconut meat. So these are now the chendol. It's so soft and you can really taste the pandan flavor. Yeah. This is so good. I can't wait my neighbor to try this chendol. So I know they gonna like this. Yeah. tawag ani kay Es Cendol.
Asa ka country kaya?
Indonesia.
Indonesia. Ay, siya, kanang, mo siya kanang, something basta creamy siya.
Creamy. Tapos sa naawag yung green, nga siya green. Masay mo ba tanaw sa green?
Hindi na siya gulaman.
Dili. Gibuhat yun ako na siya. Kuha na siya.
Mo siya cream stick. Ano siya?
Mo siya cream
Mo
stick.
siya cream stick.
Ang karang green, harina na siya ng matling. Tapos na ipandan. Di pa malasani mo ang pandan.
Mo siya cream stick.
Dami siya.
Oo.
Kuha na.
Thank you.
Okay guys, so it's so obvious that they like chendol, and according to them it's so creamy, it's so tasty, it's sweet but not too sweet, and it's just moderate, and the texture of the jelly like thing is very soft, and according to them it's like gulaman, but I said it's not. It is made of flour and tapioca starch. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell button for notification. If you have comments, suggestions, or recommendations, you may write them in the comment section below. So see you in my next food journey. Bye bye!